What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video, and please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And without further ado, y'all know your girl is a sneakerhead. Lately, I've been on some retro type stuff, getting stuff from like the early 2000s and back, y'all. So I got some shoes that's from the 80s. My mom used to wear these shoes, y'all, back in her earlier years back in school. So I'm just getting trying to get throwback shoes. I love throwback shoes, y'all. So I ordered them off of Amazon, and I got my trusty scissors. So we about to do an unboxing. So yeah, what made me get these is because I'm a 90s baby. I'm just dropping stuff. I'm a 90s baby. I like retro stuff. It's like I'm stuck in a time warp. I'm still listening to 90s music, rocking certain 90s clothing. Not the baby fat and stuff like that. Well, no, it's like the early 2000s. But I ain't wearing stuff like that. But sneaker wise, I'm trying to get my hands on retro stuff. So I went and copied some Filas. And these are the F-13Vs. I got these in a size 12 because if you don't know, Filas run small. Especially if you got chunky feet like me. So let's get into it. So far the box. There we go. The box is the same thing. Got Filas on it. So let's see. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm moving the camera. Sorry, y'all. So I got these in the color black because I really don't have that many solid black shoes. Y'all, and here they go. These are so dope. The bottoms are clean, so don't look like these were worn or anything like that. It has the Fila 13 right there. And these are cute. They got Fila right here. Got the little stripe, and the stitching is black on black. The little swoop line. And these are considered mid. So if you're a sneakerhead, you either got low tops or high tops. Some people like to say mid tops. I'm more of it's either a low top, which is ankle and under, like under the ankle crease, and if it's high top, it's like above the ankle. So if I had to, categorize this, I would say that this would be considered a high top shoe. And when you think of high top shoes, think of your Dunks, your Jordans, your Air Force Ones, especially the Air Force Ones with the strap. This kind of reminds me of that because it has the strap right here, the Velcro strap. And me, when I wear high top shoes, I do not strap up the Velcro. You just don't do that. You just let it hang. You do not. Sneakerhead 101, you do not strap up the Velcro, in my opinion. And it has the black shoelaces. Got the Fila right here on the tongue. And the inside it just has, the stuffer. And y'all, this is nice. And let me see. And the inside, the paper is just Fila with the shoe outlines. These things, I just gotta take this off. This is gonna bother me. So yeah, y'all, it's black on black, white bottoms, sides say Fila. Inside just got the swoosh sign. These are clean, and I got big feet, so they look a little big, but it's okay. These are nice. The back don't have anything, just regular. I'm really digging these. These are nice. And I want to say I purchased these on Amazon for they were under like 45 bucks, if that. And I'm glad I purchased these. Now they had the other classic ones that are the background is white, and then the swoosh shine is, I want to say navy blue and red. I didn't want those because I have enough white tennis shoes. Sometimes I like to get out of my comfort zone and get, you know, different colors, bright colors, solid colors. So I needed some solid, you know, solid shoes. So I got some black ones, y'all. And these were released out in 1988. Mind you, I wasn't even born yet. So yeah, y'all, these were released in 88. And yeah, my mom used to wear these. So definitely a good cop. And I'm loving them. So yeah, y'all, if y'all are, you know, into retro shoes, comment down below what your favorite retro shoe was. It Fila F, K-Swiss, British Knights, even though we know that, you know, them got a bad rep to them. But those, what else? The Charles Barkleys, dang, what's some other ones? The Jason Kidds. I don't know, y'all, because I'm trying to like throw different ones. I want to say like the Griffeys. Dang, y'all can't think of none. What's another pair? The Griffeys. I don't know, y'all. My mind everywhere. But let me know down below what some of the retro shoes you wore back in your heyday. And I'll see you guys on the next video.